Are you a professional video editor or just starting for fun? The new generative AI in Premiere Pro might be the perfect toy for you to experiment with. Announced in mid-2022, the AI software, Adobe Firefly, grabbed everyone's attention. Recently, Adobe announced Firefly's compatibility with Premiere Pro. In today's video, we will discuss all about this latest technology, from its pros and cons to its drawbacks. We'll also examine if the product is ready to use in professional sectors or not. So, stay tuned till the end of the video. Steps before Firefly. Adobe's history with AI-driven creativity traces back to 2010 with content-aware fill in Photoshop. In 2016, they introduced Adobe Sensei, a comprehensive AI framework that applies in the field of analytics as well as subject selection and removal. The 2019 launch of the Content Authenticity Initiative expressed Adobe's anticipation in addressing AI-related concerns. Neural filters, debuting in Photoshop in 2020, in which users can adjust the subject's facial expressions. These innovations paved the way for Firefly, Adobe's generative AI suite, released in March 2023. Throughout 2023, Adobe integrated Firefly across its Creative Cloud applications, leading in its recent addition to Premiere Pro for video editing tasks, which is currently in the testing phase. Features. Launched in March 2023, the Adobe Firefly was the center of attention for its incredible AI features. With amazing image features like generative fill, text-to-image and vector graphics, auto-object removal, and especially the text effect attribute where you can add textures on texts by simply using prompts. Recently, Adobe declared that you can use Firefly in Premiere Pro now for making videos too. It will include already released Firefly models along with exclusive features for editing videos. With the generative extension, you can now add new frames to the beginning or end of your video. With the new smart masking and tracking tools uniting with object addition and removal tools, selecting, adding, and editing moving objects is now much easier. Combined with OpenAI's Sora, the text-to-video B-roll generation transforms editing by instantly creating custom footage that can be impossible to shoot in real life, eliminating stock searches. Problems. Being in an early development stage, the generative AI tool has many things that could be improved. There are reports that body features like faces and fingers look unrealistic after being generated. Many users faced slower image processing when the image size was too large. Generated images can appear distorted or even not match the prompt given sometimes. Generative AI like Firefly can consume a lot of energy, eventually adding up to the worldwide problem of carbon emission. Price. Adobe Firefly offers flexible pricing options to cater to various needs. The free web app provides 25 watermarked image credits. For $4.99 per month, you can get 100 unwatermarked credits and 100 GB storage. The $9.99/month Adobe Express Premium plan includes 250 credits and additional features. Compared to competitors, Firefly's pricing offers a fair value along with more elements. Ready for professional use? Even though the Adobe Firefly contains some extraordinary AI-based attributes, it may take some more time to implement this in the professional sector. The technology's output can be inconsistent, requiring human intervention to achieve professional-grade results. Furthermore, legal and ethical concerns might be an issue as the use of AI in professional videos is still questionable by many. Final thoughts. Adobe Firefly's integration into Premiere Pro marks a significant leap in AI-assisted video editing, offering limitless possibilities for creators. It shows a lot of potential, although it's still in the beta version. So, there's a huge room for improvement. Adobe can work on enhancing output consistency, reducing processing times, and generating more accurate results. To maximize its potential, Adobe should emphasize optimizing its performance, generating higher quality videos with improved lighting, and ultimately brushing up its attention to detail. With continuous development and user feedback, Firefly could revolutionize video editing by offering innovative solutions to common challenges as well as more complicated and professional sections. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, don't forget to share and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.